everybody. I'm Alexander Midnight, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bootable drive of Tails Linux. To start, we'll need to go into our web browser and download Tails. We're gonna download, so let's find the download that we need. We'll use Uh, we'll get the download first. And this may take a while depending on your internet connection and operating system. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, and it looks like the download's almost complete. I got my mac and cheese and a drink, and dogs are outside, so hopefully we won't be disturbed, but I may have to get them in a moment. Now, you may be wondering what Tails is. It's a privacy-based operating system that makes you, for the most part, virtually untraceable. Everything you do online is tracked. However, this operating system allows you to mask your location through tools like Tor, VPNs, and Onion Protocol for file sharing and chatting and all that. It's primarily used by journalists, domestic violence survivors, and individuals who live overseas who are in very oppressed countries. Excuse me. I'm very thirsty and very hungry. Ugh. Anyway, you can see the download takes quite a while to get in, to get to your computer. It's primarily because this operation is run by a non-profit. This OS is developed by a non-profit, and they operate purely on donations. hard making money for servers this day and age. It looks like the download is nearing its completion. And download's complete. Let's go to the next step. For this next step, you'll need a USB. 32 gigabytes is fine, but I recommend 64 if you wish to enable persistence. So let's plug in my super secret USB, which I have hidden inside something. Let's see if I can actually get it in. There we go. Alright. Let's delete all that. Alright. Next we need a program called Belina Etcher. And we will Belina Etcher. Do I not have it installed? I may not have it installed. Yeah, looks like I have to download it. Alright. Bolina Etcher. Here we go. I'll download it real quick. And we need it for Linux 64-bit. And yet another slow download. Although this one's taking slightly less time than the OS. What Belina Etcher does is allows you to create a bootable drive, which is what we need to make the OS capable of being used. I'll call her back in a minute. Let's move Belina Etcher to here. Then extract all. Alright. Next, to use Belina Etcher, we need the USB, which we already have plugged in. And then we will hit choose drive. Show one hidden. We need this one. Choose this one. Then select. Then we'll select our image target. And show hidden. Actually, cancel. We need to choose flash file, download, tails. Then we need to select a target. And then flash. And we need to type in our password for this. Unfortunately, because this is Linux. Actually, fortunately, because it's very secure. It's well, more secure this way. And then all we have to do is wait for Tails to be created as a bootable drive. Uh, Almost done. We're on the home stretch, boys. Come on, keep chugging, keep chugging, keep chugging, keep chugging, keep chugging. And now it's validating. And your USB is complete, and now you should be able to use the USB drive to boot into Tails Linux. Anyway, this has been Alexander Midnight. In future video, I will teach you how to use this bootable drive. Anyway, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll be signing off now.